Hello, my dear students. Today we will continue our new lesson, which is decimals 2. First objective in this session is rounding a decimal number. Part A. We want to know how to round a decimal number to the nearest unit. Here I give you a number. This number consists of a whole part and a decimal part, where here is the decimal point. Okay, we can read this number in 3 ways. This number, we can read it in 3 ways, 37.17 or 37 units, 1/10, 700th or 37 units, 1700th. Now, where 1 here in the decimal part is the 10th digit and 7 is the 100th digit. Let's see here how to round the decimal number to the nearest unit. We should follow 3 steps. Okay, what are these steps? We should underline the unit digit. We said that we should round a decimal number to the nearest unit. We should underline the unit digit, circle the 10th digit, and check. If the 10th digit is smaller than 5, so the unit digit remains the same. Here are 2 examples. The rounding of 37.17 to the nearest unit. We should underline the unit digit, circle the 10th digit, check this digit as 1, which is smaller than 5, so 7 will stay the same. Let's start rounding. 7 will become 0, 1 will become 0, 7 remains 7, and 3 remains 3. So the rounding of 37.17 to the nearest unit is 37.00, which is equal to 37. The rounding of 37.37, here the same step, or here is the same note. We should underline the unit digit, circle the 10th digit. The 10th digit here is a 3, which is smaller than 5, so here 7 will remain 7. Okay, let's start rounding. 7 will become 0, 3 will become 0, 7, which is our aim, the unit, remains 7, and 3 remains 3. So the rounding of this number to the nearest unit is 37.00, which is equal to 37. Now, if the 10th digit is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 to the unit digit. Here are 2 examples. The rounding of 37.52. We underline the unit digit, circle the 10th digit, underline the unit, circle the 10th. 7 and 5 is the 10th digit. Okay, now here in the 10th digit we have 5. So we want, or we should, add 1 to the unit digit. So let's start rounding. 2 will become 0, 5 will become 0. We want to reach our aim, which is the unit. 7 plus 1 is 8, and the 3 remains a 3. So the rounding of this number to the nearest unit is 38.00, which is equal to 38. The rounding of 37.92 to the nearest unit. Here, to the nearest unit again. We should underline the unit digit, circle the 10th digit. The 10th digit here is 9, which is greater than 5. So here we add 1 to the unit. Let's start rounding. 2 will become 0, 9 will become 0, and we reach our aim, which is the unit. 7 will become 8, and the 3 remains 3. So here the rounding of this number to the nearest unit is 38.00, which is equal to 38.